Here I've got Realme 6S, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then tap on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, refresh it, and as you can see here, you've got all apps that can be updated. So you can pick either one particular application and click on Update right next to its icon, or you can click on Update All, and then all apps will be updated. It will be done automatically, so meanwhile you can use your device in a normal way. You can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, just do whatever you want with your phone. Also, you can smoothly turn it off like this. But then, if you will unlock it, you will be able to check the progress if you will open Play Store again. And this is it. That will be all. So you can update apps in your Realme 6S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.